Today we are going to learn how to read numbers. Any numbers that are 3-digit or less are easy to read. We just read them using their place value. I have a video about place value. Link is in the description below. Numbers that have 3 digits or less. For example, the number 857. Place values are marked from right to left. Place value of 7 is 1s. Place value of 5 is 10s. Place value of 8 is 100s. Let us read this 3-digit number. We read the number from left to right. So we read this number 857. Let us take some other example. How can we read the below numbers? To read the numbers, first we have to mark place value from right to left. Then we read the numbers from left to right. First question, digits 5 to 4. I marked 3 places. We have 5 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 ones. Therefore, we read 524. Let us read next number. I marked 3 places. It has 7 tens and 6 ones. Therefore, we can read it 76. Let's do one more example. I marked 3 places. It has 9 hundreds, 2 tens, and 1 ones. So we read it 921. Now let us learn how to read numbers that have more than 3 digits. Look at the below numbers. They have more than 3 digits. When numbers have more than 3 digits, to read them, we divide them into groups of 3 and we separate them with the comma. Look at the below number. Remember, we separate them with commas from right to left. Now let us name the groups from right to left. We have learned to read numbers with 3 digits, therefore we do not give any name to the first group. The second group from the right is called thousand. The third group from right is called million. And the fourth group from the right is called billion. Let us mark the place value for each group. Now we can read the numbers left to right. 785 billion, 263 million, 823,473. The key to reading the big number is to read the group's place value, then the group name along with it from the left. Let us read some more numbers that have more than 3 digits. Remember the following to read numbers that have more than 3 digits. Make groups of 3 numbers from right to left. Read the place value of each group followed by group name from left to right. Example 1. How can we read this number? Making the group of 3 numbers from right to left. Marking the place value. Now let us read this number from left to right. 3,473. Example 2. How can we read this number? Making the group of 3 numbers from right to left. Marking the place value. Now let us read this number from left to right. 23,473. Example 3. How can we read this number? Making the group of 3 numbers from right to left. Marking the place value. Now let us read this number from left to right. 823,473. Example 4. How can we read this number? Making the group of three numbers from right to left. Marking the place value. Now let us read this number from left to right. 3,823,473. Example 5. How can we read this number? Making the group of three numbers from right to left. Marking the place value. Now let us read this number from left to right. 63,823,473. This method allows you to read larger numbers. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.